Welcome to another little vlog in the life of an AI entrepreneur. And in this video, we're gonna travel through Italy and I will share 3 topics related to AI. On the first day, I'm going to Siena and I will talk about why everything seems to be getting worse with AI slop in 2026. On the second day, we are going to a wedding in Tuscany and I will share how the AI market has shifted over the last 2 years since I've been in business. And on the third day, we're heading over to Rome and I'm gonna show you the newest money printer AI bot that I have built. So stay with me and there's gonna be a little fun bonus at the end of this video with this guy, and see you guys. Don't you feel like since the 2020s everything is getting worse? Like songs are getting shallower and shallower year by year. Video games have lost their souls and nobody really goes to the cinema anymore because none of the new movies have any depth or artistic value. And I feel like the same is true to the online money making world and AI as well. It's a bunch of mediocre, shitty products out there with amazing marketing. Like everybody has this amazing S-tier larping marketing, and all the products, coaching programs, AI tools are just completely mediocre. And I hate this. Like, look at this behind me. Do you feel like the people who built this cathedral were like, how can we build the simplest cathedral with the least effort and make the highest profit? No, they wanted to make the best fucking most unique cathedral for the sake of creating something awesome and timeless. And I kinda wanna do the same with my business as well. I grew up in the 2010s when everything was awesome, you could find anything for free online, and if you paid for something you knew it was boom, it was the best. It was the golden era of the internet, and I kinda wanna bring that back. And that's why I'm putting all of my effort and focus into making my product, this AI agent, truly the best on the market, and then I know that if the value is there, it will attract customers, money, etc. This is day 2 in Tuscany, and there's a wedding going on to which this is the last pizza party dinner behind me. And we are actually here on a professional occasion as Tatiana is the content creator for this wedding and she brought me along as her assistant. In reality, I just came to eat for free and enjoy this view. So this is the second day. I'm gonna show you some B-rolls and clips, and I will tell you now why you're not late with AI as much as all the gurus and course sellers try to make you believe. Today.
Updates. Today's day 3, pool and pizza party. Am I tired? Yes, I am. Am I gonna work more? Yes, I am.
How are the guests liking you?
They love me.
So it's been exactly 2 years now that I started this AI business, building these agents for coaches, influencers to book appointments, make sales. And 2 years ago, when I found out that AI is already good enough for this, I was scared. I was shocked. I was anxious. Oh my God, what if other people find out about it too? I need to be fast. And then next year, the market is already gonna be oversaturated with everybody and their mother building AI setters and AI agents. And I need to be quick because I have this competitive advantage now. I need to make the most of it. And boy, was I wrong. Everybody is so damn slow. You would expect these young entrepreneur guys who grew up with the internet, who know about AI, who use it on a daily basis, who are always up to date with the latest trends and technology. You would expect them to jump on AI extremely quick and this transition would be fast. But that's not the case. What I'm seeing is the market is almost in an identical state now in 2026 as it was 2 years ago. So 2 years ago when I started, there were a handful of people online who made content about building specifically AI appointment setters, and there were a few people who had done for you products, and now it's pretty much the same. If you try to find people who can build you these agents done for you, it's still pretty much the same guys who did it 2 years ago, plus maybe a few new mediocre ones, tying back to yesterday's topic, who have an absolutely mediocre trash product and just pump insane marketing behind it. But it really isn't any good. And still, 95% of online coaches, creators, and any online business, they still don't use AI for automating actual work. The whole AI space is a huge circle jerk of people making this flashy, surface level content about cool things that look cool for an Instagram reel, and then comment below for my prompt. But none of these actually solve a problem. In my eyes, AI should be an employee that gets done a task all day, every day, automatically without having to look at it. And the other half is people promising you to start your own AI agency and buy my course. And it's very, very little actually good AI solutions out there that solve a problem, that actually work, and that are useful and have value to you. So if you're worried that you are late with AI, whether it is to learn about it, whether it is to start your own business in AI, whether it is to buy a done-for-you solution for your business, wink wink, don't be too worried. Everybody is adopting AI extremely slow. The noise is insane. The actual good solutions are scarce. And I'm not saying this as an excuse to be slow. Absolutely learn AI and be ahead of people, but just get rid of the anxiety. You're fine. Yesterday we made it back to Rome, and today I'm actually flying back to Budapest, so I will just have a little afternoon here to meet my business partner Antonio, have some pasta, and then back to the grind in Hungary. Who's here? Antonio.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
AI guy.
Yeah.
Let's grab some lunch.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, let's go. We're here in Rome. Antonio, my main AI builder guy. And the coolest stuff that we have built is basically a money printer AI bot, which we did about 2-3 weeks ago. We finished it for one of the clients. And this is as close as I ever got to passive income. I think as close as it gets. So basically it's a AI agent that 24/7 just prints money for us. And the way it does that is one of our clients has obviously a high-ticket coaching program, but also a low-ticket school community for people who cannot afford it. And for people who are unqualified for booking a call, we just DM close them on this school community. And basically I just use my referral link in school and I immediately get my commission on every single sale. So I literally have a little AI bot that 24/7 runs every time my client posts content and new leads come in, talks to them and just sells them this product without me really having to touch it, look at it, and do anything. And all I do is just refresh my school affiliates tab and see how much commission I made, which is so far not a whole lot of money, but it's basically a set and forget system. I just built it once, and if I don't want to optimize it, I can just forget about it and it will run like that 24/7, print the money, and slowly the monthly recurring is going to compound in school, and in a couple of months it can be substantial monthly income. So we're going to build the same for other clients now going forward, and it's a really exciting little passive income stream with AI. And I feel like this is the dream with AI, that you just have a little bot that works for you 24/7, day and night, talking to people and selling something, and you just wake up, refresh your phone, and you see that you made money overnight. So that's what we are doing now. Back to Budapest now on good old Broki Airlines. Okay, it's Saturday. I came back to Budapest and we are going to a friend's birthday party right now, 30th birthday party. He joins the Unk Club. Next year it's my turn. I'm 29. Next year I'm also gonna be Unk. So I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up right now. We will go to the party together and we'll check in from there. Ciao bro, repelj egyet! Most posiba basztam, sorry.